Whoa! And it's like the professional drivers are some of the worst. Welcome back to another Jason Reacts video. I'm Jason. I react to videos on YouTube. Right now we're going to be doing some more Russian car crash videos, dash cam videos. Really one of my favorites. Last week I put out some videos that were some different things. Nobody really responded to them, so wanted to make sure I got some new ones out this week. Russian car crash videos are just some of my favorites to react to. It's very hilarious. You also watch them for a little bit, you get to understand why pretty much everybody in Russia has a dash cam, because no matter what they say, Russians are the worst drivers. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. One more thing. If you like this video, give it a like. That helps more people find it on YouTube. If you want to see more content from me, subscribe to the channel. Anything you want to see me react to in the future, leave down in the comments below. Or at the end of the video, I'll have a slide with all of my social medias, and you can hit me up there. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Yeah. I really kind of blame the driver with the dash cam there. Like, you could have slowed down and let him in.
Охуенно, просто, блядь.
Well, wasn't that big deal just to back off just a little bit to let the man in. Sometimes you being an asshole on the road. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Well, that's just not slowing down. That poor Prius. Like I said, Russians clearly the worst drivers in the world. I think somebody's heading for a ditch here. Oh. Oh! Just had a little bit of speed dog out both those signs clean like that. Whoa! That gets your attention on the road. What are you doing, man? Like, ain't nothing you can do. Just how you do it, keep it moving. Oh, did somebody throw it off the overpass, maybe? Maybe that was it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, that's pretty cool. You didn't hit nothing? Wish there was a rearward facing camera so we could see if he kept going or not. That was pretty cool. Oh. Somebody running a red light right here. I can see it already. Yep. Ooh! Right on the side of that truck. That's something I just never even tried to stop at the red light. It's like, nah, there's nobody here. I'm going. I said, Russians clearly the worst drivers in the world. Clearly. Roads look as bad as some Indiana roads right now. Oh, nope. Yep, dummy. What was that person thinking? Like, there's clearly a car in the forward moving lane. You're at a stop sign. Yeah, let's go. Boom. Why would you stop and let somebody through? I just keep going. They'll get their turn to go through. That's all you're doing is setting up an accident. Now, the Hyundai way overturned, but the other Hyundai probably shouldn't have been trying, or no, Kia, looks like, shouldn't have been trying to sneak through the red light that late. And there's the bus coming out. Now, I don't know what that second person was thinking. Hey, there was clearly no room to go, you moron. Somebody's crossing the center line here. Oh, I can see it now. That's somebody right there. Yep, semi. Good job by the driver. He slowed down, made sure he didn't get caught up in that mess.
Здравствуйте. А что первый раз проехал, не остановили, сейчас развернулся, остановили? Только что. Давайте быстрее, документы, я поехал. Мне некогда, заебали. Скажи, а то они хотят заработать, а я нет. Ах, блядь, ебануться.
I almost missed the exit there because I was too busy paying attention to what the cops were having him do. Bus rear.
На месте, блядь. А что он за А, он семерку тормознул или нет? Я таки не понял, блядь.
3-car accident there. Dang.
Сука.
I had no reason for that car to be over the center line either. I don't understand how Russians are this bad at driving cars. I just don't. Whoa! And it's like the professional drivers are some of the worst. Like, again, clearly ran a dead red light there for no reason. Insane. Insane. About halfway through and... trying to turn from 2 lanes away.
А чё он? Он зачем туда повернул?
Never ends well. Russians, my God. I will say though, this video could have been edited into shorter clips. I don't need all the long, long and short of it. Oh, oh! Again, these semi-drivers are terrible. Terrible. Big truck drivers suck. Russia. Of course, they're going to make sure the person in the SUV is okay because they were doing nothing wrong and just got smashed into a side rail. Oh, Russians cannot do roundabouts. I have zero faith in this. This is going to be hilarious.
Че ебанутый нахуй, блядь?
Nah. Near miss. Still. Wow, that was some good driving. There by the guy in with the dash cam. That was impressive. Well done. You might redeem me. Might make me look bad with some good maneuvering like that. Might be that there are some good Russian drivers out there. But see, then stuff like that. Like, well, luckily he didn't hit a guardrail, but didn't hit any other cars. But oh, Jesus! He keeps trying to save it, apparently? So just hitting the brakes? Back and forth, back and forth. Jesus. See, for every one good one, there's some idiot like that who clearly can't drive. No snow, no ice, no water. No reason to slip slide like that. Oh. What is this, 380p right here? Somebody's going to try and beat the electric train. And boom! So regular. It happens so often. Oh! First hit was just the appetizer. Wow. That dude was flying. All right. That music's a little obnoxious there. We're going to turn that down. Yeah. That's some little fender bender there. Again, somebody pulling out of where there's no room. Yeah. You guys, you morons, need to learn how to drive because you suck at it. Absolutely suck at it. Again, idiot 1 and idiot 2 met there. Like, you saw what was going on. You could have slowed down. You chose not to. Oh, speed bump. Like, good evasive maneuvering there. Some of these idiots are just trying to fly across multiple lanes. I don't know where. Yep. Somebody turning across traffic. And he hopped the curb and took out car. And, oh, wow. And a guardrail. Well done, sir. Maximum carnage there. You suck. And into a 3-car accident. And the taxi cab driver trying to turn across 2 lanes of traffic. Hard to see where that went wrong. All right, so that lived up for me. It was a little, there weren't any major collisions. Obviously, I see one there with some fire that I'll have to try and remember to check out next time. But this has been another Russian dash cam car crash video compilation that I checked out. As always, thanks for checking out my videos. If you like this one, give it a like. If you want to see more content from me, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Anything you want to see me react to, leave in the comments below. Or at the end of this, there'll be a slide with my social medias. You can hit me up there as well. Until next time, peace out.